This is a channel that is known as Mr. Luxury, and you can see that this channel has got like 679k subscribers. So today we are going to be talking about something that many people have asked me, and what is that? The thing is, people ask me that what should be done, high CPM or something else. People are actually running behind this high CPM thing, and I don't know why. First, understand this basic concept. And what is that basic concept? The basic concept is very simple. That is, you either need views, that is in a small channel, or you need a big high CPM channel. So which one of them would you prefer? For example, if we talk about this, for example, here we can see this channel. This is known as Mr. Luxury, and we can see that Mr. Luxury has posted things like top 5 most expensive military weapons, and we can go on to Social Blade. And whenever we go on to Social Blade, then we can actually see that Mr. Luxury has got like 600k. That is what 600k that is views. And if we go on to calculator, then we can actually go on to like this, and after that we can see it's 600k. So if we actually deduct this with 1000, okay, so if we deduct it with 1000, then we can see that we are going to be getting with a estimated of RPM of like $10, okay, because it's on luxury niche. So you are going to be making like $6,000 every single month, okay. But what about things that you might not know? Okay, for example, if we talk about this, so you can see the most beautiful, the most expensive stadiums in the world. So inside the life of billionaire Elon Musk, so they actually upload things like this, the power figures like this ones, like top 10 richest people in the world. This is Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and Jeff Bezos. So what you're going to be doing is very simple, and that is using power figures for channels just like this. So you can see Mark Cuban up here. Why? Because it is giving extra, you can say, views. Another channel that I want to show you is known as Funny Animals Club. Okay, so this channel is really funny. I mean, that means it's an Animals Club channel. And if you go on to the Social Blade, you will be able to see that this channel, this animals funny, that means Funny Animals Club, has uploaded 118 videos, got 558k subscribers, like 558k subscribers, and has got views. Okay, so you can see the views. So this is like 7 million views. So let's go on to calculator and let's do some calculation. Okay, so right now we can see that I think we have made, okay, an extra zero has been entered. So here we can see 7 million, and if we divide it by 1000, and if we are getting a $1 CPM, then we can make like $7,000 per month. So this is the thing, either you can go on to a high volume niche, that means where people watch videos but the CPM is really less. So you can cope up a channel like this. So for example, a Funny Animals Club channel like this, you can actually work with these channels. But what happens, since the CPM is low, people tend to get away from this channel. But think about it, they are getting some decent amount of views. So since they're getting views in volume, that means the quantity is really high. That is why it actually balances out the money that you are actually making. Now, with the help of that, you can also do other things like affiliate marketing, and there are other options that you can actually try. And after that, whenever you do all of it, for example, if you want to try something that is really cool, I've given a link in the description that will be helping you up for this YouTube automation thing. Or if you are someone who just want to change things up, want to try something really new, then you can basically do that. For example, here you can see this is the thing. Now let's talk about this. For the channel Funny Animals Club, you saw that they have got like 7 million views, and since they have got 7 million views, what has happened is very simple. The thing that has happened is that they have done a volumetric way, that is because of the volume that they have got. Actually they have coped up with the whole thing, that is the views has actually been done in a real way, and they have got the money that is almost like the same for the luxury niche. So I want to show you another thing, that is, for example, this is a new channel that I just discovered. So this channel is known as Mr. World Luxury. So you can see this has got 1.101k subscribers, just completed almost like 1000 subscribers. You can see still now the views are like okay-ish, like 19 views, 10 views, 2.1 views, that means 2.1k views. And you can see, so that means what, this video has actually worked for him. So if you are starting right now, you can make a channel like of Rashid Belhaza. So this is Dubai's some really famous person, the richest kid in the UAE. So this is a billionaire lifestyle of Rashid Belhassa, the richest kid in the UAE. So you can understand that since with 7 days, people love this. People are actually interested in this. That is why on 7 days this has got views. Another channel, I mean another video that has got views is this one, Inside Luxurious Lifestyle of Lionel Messi. So you can make a channel just like this, Inside Lifestyle of Billionaire Elon Musk. You can make a video and then you're going to be getting views. Inside Luxurious Lifestyle of Billionaire Mark Zuckerberg, gonna be getting views. Inside, okay, I feel this is, yeah, okay, so Inside Car Collection of Saudi Arabia Prince, you're gonna be getting views. Top 10 richest CEO, gonna be getting views. Here you can see 7 expensive things owned by Rashid Belhaza, 3.1k views, and again we saw it has got 2.1k views. So what this person can do is that he can double down on Rashid Belhaza. Okay, so for example, what you can do is that you can go on to like this Rashid, so he can go on to Rashid Belhaza, and then he can actually make videos just like this. For example, he can make a video just like onto the lifestyle, onto the car collection, onto the shoe collection, onto house, and many things. For example, let's go on to the lifestyle. So you can see this video, the top everything has got 666k views. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely. And here you can see 23k views 3 months ago, and you can see another video of Rashid Belhaza, and you can see another Meet Money Kicks. Okay, so this is not, it's about a vlogging channel. And we go down up here, then we can see something like this one. Okay, Money Kicks, Faisal Info. So 113k views, that is pretty amazing. So you can see 148k views 1 year ago. So let's go up here, and if we go on to this week, for example, then we will be able to see that these channels are getting some great amount of views to be true. And whenever they do things like that, whenever this person doubles down on this thing, he's gonna be getting views. Okay, good number of views, no doubt in that. Now think about in this format, if you want to start onto a funny niche, you're gonna be getting views. But it is true that funny animal videos, if you write, the competition is pretty high to be true, because you need to niche down. Okay, so the thing that you can do, the things, I mean, you're gonna be getting good amount of views with the help of that. And think about it, not just YouTube AdSense money, but also affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, I've given a link in the description. I've given a awesome, I mean, I partnered with a person and they're providing some awesome things, and I pretty much loved it to be true. And the price is not that high, it's really affordable for anyone who is just starting by. You can learn many things, so many things that you can learn, just awesome. Okay, so that was all for today. I hope that you have got everything cleared. So let me summarize for you. Think about it in this format: high CPM, less views. That means you're going to be taking good amount of time for that. But whenever you do low CPM but high views, the chances of getting in the monetization is also higher, on the higher side, obviously, because you are actually, think it in this perspective, you're getting much more watch time, much more subscribers. So obviously what YouTube wants, this is the thing that YouTube wants. YouTube doesn't care about that you are making a video on a high CPM niche or a low CPM niche. You are making a cash cow channel, faceless channel, YouTube automation channel, or with a face just like the one I'm doing right now. Okay, so it doesn't matter actually that what kind of videos that you are making. YouTube sees only one thing: what is the audience all about, what is the demographics, that means male or female, what is the age, and after that what are their interests, and then they place ads. That is it. So your content basically, okay, enough of all this talking, but here's the truth. Your content actually helps YouTube to make something, what, to refine the whole process. That means what, with the help of your content, the algorithm gets better, it gets much more refined, and the targeting becomes much more better. Okay, so whenever that happens, you are going to be getting what, you're going to be getting the YPP, that is YouTube Partner Program. And after that, whenever you learn about all of these things, you can actually change many things. That is quite fun to be true, because think about it in this format, that if you are someone who is just making no face channels, that means YouTube automation channels, cash combat, basically you don't show your face, okay, and you make a channel that is growing really fast, and then you can actually leverage. For example, if you start a channel on, let's say, movie recaps, okay, so what you can do is that you can make another channel on movie recaps, and you can actually leverage the previous channel's audience into the new channel, and the growth is gonna be really faster, right? That means, for example, if it took you 10 months to get into a specific goal, then it's going to be taking 4 to 5 months. And whenever you make a third channel onto that specific niche, my god, it's going to be taking like 1 to 2 months maximum, because you are getting a boost, you're getting boost from 2 channels onto your third channel. And whenever that happens, you are going to be making some great amount of money and impact with the help of the tricks and tips that I just showed you. But here's the thing: YouTube automation is for everybody, to be true. Whatever it might be your passion, you can start it, but you might not know some things. For that, you might need a mentorship. And if you need any help, you can reach out to me on Instagram. If you need any help, then only so then you can, whenever you make a channel of yours, then it will be helping people much in a much more better way. Because, for example, they might have so many problems, like for example, let's choose a niche. For example, one of the coolest niches that I myself personally believe is a golf niche that I have myself never tried, but that looks really fascinating, and it has got some great margins, I know. Okay, so here's the thing: for example, if you are interested in golfing, if you're interested in woodworking, if you're interested in, for example, if you are interested in fishing, if you're interested in soccer, think about it. Okay, so take it like this. For example, if you're interested in becoming a commentator, okay, and you wanted to represent, if you wanted to become a commentator on FIFA, okay, you might not have got that opportunity. Think it of like this: if you cannot hire a voice actor, and if you're interested in soccer, football, whatever you want to say, think it like this, and you get opportunity, that is your own YouTube channel, you do commentary, people love it. And when people love it, the FIFA association, that is the football federation, might call you for commentary. Might happen, you might not know. Also, you can add something like affiliate marketing if you want. That is pretty much awesome. And whenever you do that, for example football, right? So you can actually do affiliate marketing on amazon.com. You can sell them some courses. You can help them up actually with some courses. For example, how to do some different, how to actually use different skills so that they can actually make their you mean the make their skills better. So here's the thing. So just think about it. If you are interested in football, you might know about that how Ronaldo actually has done some trick shots that you can actually promote to them, and some other ways. Like you can actually sell them supplements, and there are hundreds and hundreds of ways. Basically, if I start talking about all of this in a single video, it's never gonna be ending. And why? Because I am always into this thing, and I know what are the new things that's to be coming. So if you want to get the latest updates, I would say that don't forget to subscribe, obviously. And I hope that you have got some enough values from this, and it's going to be completely worth it, trust me. And you, whenever you learn about the whole thing, you are going to be succeeding. And here's the personal note. I've given a link in the description, and you can go up there if you want to go. And you can use Pictory, you can use other forms. Given all of that, I know it's affiliate link. I love affiliate marketing. That's why, because I myself use it, and that's why I'm promoting it. Simple as it is. If you want to use it, you can use it for your own benefit. You can grow. And if you don't want to use it, completely okay. So that was all for today. See you again on another video. Thank you for watching.